Hello and welcome to my course, 15 Ways to Learn English. My name is Joe and I will be your teacher in this course. I've been teaching English for about 22 years now, and I've learned lots of different ways to learn English. So I think I can help you if you watch these videos. Let's go on to the next slide so I can introduce why I made this course. I've got students from all over the world, and many of them ask me the same types of questions. Joe, what is the best way to learn English? How can I learn English quickly? Can you help me get better at English? A lot of times, students have trouble learning in the same old traditional way in a classroom. So they want me to help them and show them a different way to learn English. So let's go on to the next slide so you can see my answer. So what's the best way to learn English? There is no one way. There isn't a best way. What does that mean? Different people learn in different ways. The way you learn could be totally different from another student, even from your brother or sister. There is not one magical or secret way to help you get better at English. Don't be saddened by this news. This is a good thing. If you go on to the next slide, I'll show you what I mean. The reason why it's a good thing that there's not one way is because there are many ways. If there was just one way, then everyone would know about it by now. You can't keep secrets nowadays. If there was one magical way to learn English, you would know it. It would be all over the internet. But there isn't. There are lots and lots of ways to get better at English. I love helping students, and I know they don't all learn in the same way. So that's why I made this course. So, what can you do? You can watch my videos and learn about a variety of different ways. Some of these ways will seem strange, and some will seem great. Some of them you may have heard before. Some of them will be totally new to you. By the time you are finished with this course, you will know lots of different ways to help yourself. Then you can choose your favorite or your few favorites and get busy getting better at English. You don't have to use all of the ways, just choose your favorites. So the next question I have to ask you is, are you ready? Are you ready to improve your English? Are you ready to learn new ways that can help you improve your English quickly? Whenever you are ready, just start the course and start learning. If you have any questions or problems, just let me know and I will try my best to answer you quickly. All right? Good luck.